Hello, my name's Lamees. I'm a UTS alumni and current student. I just couldn't get enough of UTS. I had to come back for more. I'm Egyptian Palestinian, but I grew up in Dubai my whole life, and I moved to Australia when I was 17 years old to originally study forensic science. But I changed my course very impulsively, like last minute, before I even started my degree, to pre-medicine. But honestly, it was one of the best decisions I've ever made in my whole life. Fast forward 4 years later, and here I am completing my Masters of Physiotherapy, also UTS, and on my way to become a physiotherapist. So one of the top things that I was looking for in a university when coming to study here in Australia was diversity. So growing up in Dubai in the UAE, it's a very multicultural country and city, and so I wanted to expand my knowledge of different cultures and languages even further. And I love putting myself out there, getting out of my comfort zone, trying out new food, learning new languages. It's such an incredible experience. And honestly, UTS provided. Despite the fact that we're all so different, you never feel like you're left out. You never feel like you don't fit or you don't belong. It's such an inclusive and cohesive community. It's amazing. So what I hope to achieve in the future with everything I've learned so far is to become a great physio, and I honestly can't wait to do just that. Hopefully I graduate in a year's time and actually start helping people. I really want to get into neurophysiotherapy, help people become independent and gain control of their lives again. Some of the things that I really like about studying health at UTS is that they don't just focus on one area or aspect of the profession. So you're not just learning about one area of physio or nursing, for example. I got to do orthopedics, women and men's health, pediatrics, neuro patients, and that's really amazing because you start to figure out what you like and dislike. So what are your interests? Another thing that I really like about health at UTS is the facilities that are provided. There are very special and unique facilities for that profession, for that degree, to help you gain practical skills and the confidence that you need to get into your career. One more thing that I'm really looking forward to as part of my degree are placements. I'm gonna get to do 5 placements as part of my degree, which is super exciting because you're gonna get to learn all of these real life experiences, and you're gonna gain so much confidence that once you graduate, you're just super confident and you get into the real world and you're ready. My number one advice for students who are thinking about coming to UTS, just do it. Just do it and come here. You're gonna have the time of your life. You're gonna have such an incredible experience. Put yourself out there, get out of your comfort zone, meet new people, go to new places, try out new things. It's such an amazing experience, and I can promise you that you will not regret it. You have my word.